Do you earn in excess of $75,000 a year? Do you know how to protect your assets and reduce your tax burden? Would you love to drive your taxes down and your returns up? Meet John and Sarha. John and Sarha just had the best business year of their lives. In fact, it was so good it bumped them into the next tax bracket. Now, this is great. Business is good, the family is good, but they are at a stage where they are really starting to accumulate a lot of assets. From the new family home to the new offices and company vehicles. Oh, and not to forget John's shiny new sports car. The problem with this is if you are not careful, a lot of assets can become a lot of tax headaches, and if you are not planning your taxes correctly, then you cannot reach your full potential, and worse still, you could lose a lot of money. John and Sarha knew this, so they went in search of advice. They realized that to reach their goals, they needed some help, but who can they turn to? Like many others when searching for tax advice, they came across Troublesome Tony, an attorney who gives out free bad information. Then there was Bad Advice Barry, who was loaded with more bull than the local bull farm. And finally, there was Win, Wisdom in Numbers. Win offers the best solution for asset protection and tax planning through a combination of legal instruments and entities. What's more, you can rest assured knowing that you are in safe hands. Win is designed by a group of the top US attorneys who specialize in tax, corporate, credit, and estate law. If you are sick of the Troublesome Tonys and Bad Advice Barrys of the attorney world, and you'd like to know more about this system of legal instruments and entities which has been handed down from generation to generation within the wealthier families of this nation, you now know where to turn. Fill in the form and start your journey today.